Hi, my name is Landon Chandler. I work for U of I Extension, and today we're going to try our crispy cheesy chicken sticks.
1 skinless, boneless chicken breast cut into 6 strips, 1/4 cup low sodium cheese crackers, 2 tablespoons of dry breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of non-fat milk. Put crackers in a resealable gallon-sized bag, tightly close the bag, and crush crackers. Add breadcrumbs and shake to combine. Pour milk into a medium bowl, place chicken in milk, and turn to coat chicken completely. Place a piece of chicken in bag and shake to coat with cracker crumbs. Place coated chicken onto baking sheet. Repeat step number 5 and 6 with remaining chicken pieces. Wash counter and utensils after touching raw poultry. Bake chicken for 15 to 20 minutes in oven until chicken is cooked throughout or internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit on a food thermometer.
Here's our delicious crispy cheesy chicken sticks. Hope you enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.